Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. If you're new here, I'm Victoria and I'm 19 years old. I am currently going to Georgia State University, but I'm going to be transferring to Kennesaw State University in the fall of 2022. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning my room slash like cleanup, spring, summer cleanup. So I'm going to just be starting off with my desk and putting things away. I just had lunch, so I don't need to eat anything, but my desk is kind of dirty. So since I usually don't show the before, I usually just show what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be showing y'all the before of what it looks like, just because I don't really do that, and I thought maybe that would add some more features into the video. So let's start off with that. Here's my desk, and so right here I have my Bible and my journal from church. These books are going for a project at school. That was my phone was sitting on. I got a phone stand. This is for VBS, so that can be just moved over to my side rolly cart. That's my computer, and I have some stuff back there is organized already. I got my drinks and my wallet that can go over here, and I got some clothes that I need to put away, and then I got some papers, my planner back there. So, and here's my bed. My bed is fine. I think I'm gonna start off by putting away my clothes. They're on my floor because they're just shirts, so they're not that bad. And then maybe do some laundry tomorrow. And yeah, let me explain. I'm gonna start off by doing my laundry slash putting away my clean clothes because they had been on my floor for a while, and then I'm gonna vacuum. And I would usually just spend this day like, sorry, I got a message, like just playing on my phone, and I did a few TikToks, so I can insert my TikTok down below because I have been on there a lot more. I don't spend a lot of time looking for new people. I usually just spend time looking at my cousin Josie, or looking at people that follow my and put my activity. If they look like they're real people and they look like they're not gonna like scam me or spam me or send me weird things on TikTok, then I'll follow you. But yes, let me start by doing my clothes. Time lapse. Have finished my clothes, and I'll show y'all done. I've put away a lot of my large shirts and extra large shirts, and I've put them by color. These are my new dresses. I got one that's falling off the sleeve, one that's black, one that's blue, one that's pink, and then I have some black dresses over here, and I made these labels for my boxes. But like for some reason the little clips pop apart because they're plastic, but the other ones that I put up here are up on my board. You see the Polaroids that are fine. The next thing I'm gonna do is what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna vacuum my floor next. Okay, I'm gonna go get the vacuum. As y'all just saw, I finished vacuuming my room. It is looking much better. I'll show you like my floor. And I did not move my rolling cart, but I did move my dirty clothes hamper and my bear for my dog in that, and then moved, I didn't move my backpack. That's fine. Next thing I'm gonna do is move. Currently I am having to do VBS, and this is the VBS we're doing. And I will show it. Oh, okay. I posted online already, so y'all know. CrossView Marietta Church. If people want to come to my church for VBS, it's going to be from July 10th to the 14th, and we're doing Sun National Park. And basically what it is that we're going to have a welcome, and then a Bible study, and then music, which I'm doing the music. So that's what this is the music. Then we're going to have snack and game time, and then craft, and then closing, and it'll be our leader and our pastor that talk. So this is all for VBS. Which I'm going to keep over here. And then this is my Bible, which I got from my church. It has my name on it. And it's from She Reads Truth. Which I just keep my Bible up here. And these are all my pockets that I keep over here. Keep my Bible in my journal because I use this journal every week for church. Because I finished using one of the journals that I had already. These books are all going to go to my project at school, college, so I'm going to just leave the books here until. This is my little wallet that I have keychains on. I have a KSU keychain. Right now I'm in the Bagwell. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm in the Bagwell College. This goes over here, and then I have to put away my check from my job at church, and this is my file folder. I have in here medical, college, and taxes, which is basically check stuff. And I'm really growing my money. Almost to $2,000, which has been my goal for like a year and a half. So I'm really happy. Okay. Let me put this in here. If I move my phone. Okay. This is my pen. So the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and write out my stuff in my planner for the week that what I need to do for college. So I'm going to go through that with y'all guys because I haven't really talked about my classes on YouTube. I haven't really been on my channel since probably like before my break. Let me make it colder in here. It's still summer. It's supposed to be getting colder in here, which will be very great. So for this week, it's going to be Monday, June 20th through the 25th is next Saturday. So for this week, I'm going to be doing Module 2 and Module 3 and Module 4. Module 4 is due on the 27th, so that's next week. Not this week, but the next week after that. And then that's for my education class. And then for the other one, I'm going to be doing my test 2. And then my writing assignment, which I already started on. It's about my background in music and my previous music. Sorry guys, I'm just out of breath. I've been going this morning. So yes, I have to do a test this week on Thursday. So I cannot go until around noon. Okay, that's fine. And then I have to do a writing assignment, which I think I'm going to just get that done today. That way I don't have to do it. So, this is my planner. I got it, I think, from Amazon. It was like $13, so I'm going to be writing everything on here. That way I can just have everything figured out. So Monday. I'm gonna see if I have any more pencils I can use, because I have a lot of pencils. So I'm gonna do a time lapse and I'll come back and talk and show y'all my planner when I'm done. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye!